What's up, guys? I'm back again with another unboxing here, and today I got something pretty sweet. I've been searching online trying to find it. Nobody's had it in stock. I know a whole bunch of people already did their unboxings and whatnot of it, but I'm still gonna do one. So I got the today I finally picked up the Canon EOS R5. So let's dig into this bad boy and check it out. All right, so here it is. Let's check this bad boy out. The box looks pretty cool. Kind of gives me the same vibes as the new DJI RS2. It's got, you know, this solid logo in the center. It's pretty cool. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside and scope everything out. So of course we got all the paperwork here. It's always in the things. Image.com. Big old booklet this time. Look at that bad boy. That thing is freaking huge. Some sort of USB-C cable. Some other random thing. Let's see what that is later. The new style battery. They're supposed to have a higher span now. Charger looks pretty much the same as all the other ones. Take off the cool little plastic. Of course, it comes with a strap. EOS R5. Gotta have all that branding in there. It's got all these new friggin' cool little things to scan everything and see what it is, I guess. And there we go. All wrapped up in some plastic. Boom. Look at that. So this thing's pretty sweet. It feels pretty solid so far. It's got a nice, you know, feel to it. They have the flip out screen, which is nice. You can spin it around for doing the selfie stuff. Everything seems to fit my hands pretty nicely. I also have the 1DX Mark II, so this kind of has obviously, you know, a similar feel, but not as tall because it's a, you know, full body camera or whatever. But this stuff is like you can reach all the things regular. It's got the same spin dials. I think like when the 1DX, I think the dial will probably be a little further over because the screen's a little bit smaller, but different to the side there a little more. Everything else looks kind of be in the same positions as the 1DX. This one has a top screen, which the R6 does not have. The dial is a little bit different on this than it is on the R6. The on and off is in a different spot than on my 1DX. The 1DX is further down here, so that's kind of cool. When you open up the battery there, show them basic thing of all the style ones. It's got that good little thing there. Oh, there's a little access port there. We got the dual memory cards there. So I ordered I bought a new the new style memory card, 128 gig. It also takes the SD cards, but I wanted to be able to do all the video stuff, so I made sure to get one of the new cards. And then on the side, it's got the standard stuff: mic, headphones. Looks like for doing your strobes, HDMI, all that stuff. But yeah, it's nice. The buttons are pretty much the same little area there. A little spin there, a little spin knob here. It's pretty light, so it feels real good. A little better for running gun. So it's pretty sweet. I gotta charge the battery and put that in there. So I also bought the ring adapter to use my my EF lenses. I don't have any RF lenses yet, so I made sure to get this. So we'll check this bad boy out real quick too. So, you know, standard cable pamphlets in there. So this comes in a nice little pouch. So this pouch is pretty sweet. I kind of like that. It's kind of the same pouch the flash comes in. But obviously the flash is a little taller. And there it is. Pretty simple little jobby here. You know, this goes to the camera. Then you can do all your EF lenses there. So it's pretty cool. Feels nice, little solid thing there. Oh, it's got the dial on there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then talking about the new memory cards. So this is the new memory card. CF Express Type B card. So it's a little bit different. kind of tall. Looks like a CF card, but smaller, a little thinner. So we're gonna try one of these bad boys out and see how that works. And the new style batteries actually have a little bit longer lifespan. I'm supposed to have more milliamps or something, I guess. Give one of these a shot. Wasn't sure how long the battery life would be on it, and yeah, so I'm excited to try all this stuff out. Let me do some little close-up shots and check that out. So I'm ready to test this bad boy out tomorrow and let you guys know how it is.